ukuthi idayisayo guys akukho halal cabangani. Sibhora ama-veg sibaye e-main kitchen, we bhora ukudla next door, we bhora everything emzini yabantu. Why they are not halal? And I feel sorry shame but ama-Muslim lawazi ukuthi uNando's esiba uhalal. Because mesabedla guys ngifeel guilt knowing lesi ukudla kuphumaphi. Sometimes you get a call texting xa uve emsebenzini. Hayibo, phasikabishi lapha kaBestani, yazi njalo kaBestani phaka umama phana. Isikabishi uyahamba emsebenzini ufike kwenu, ukabishi badle ama customer. Kodwa bekho halal labantu. Kwenza kanjani guys? Kwenza kanjani? Kodwa uClicken usukazi guys. And knowing namhla uthi awu get fired ngoba uClicken ngoba ube spice yakhe kahle kahle. Ubefuna kahle kahle lo uthatha ukahle kule.
Sekuvele kaningi ukuthi abasebenzi banokuhlukunyezwa, ikakhulukazi eThekwini. Kuthiwa manje cha ababaphethe kahle abasebenzi, njengoba usise ngomunye wama-victim akhala ngoNando's. uNando's osesibaya ekhasini ukuthi cha impatho ayikho yinhle, ayikho indlela yokukhuluma kangangokuthi baze betshele nasemadlebeni ukuthi vele abantu abamnyama kumele bexhaphazeke, angeke baze bakwazi ukuthi befune. Usisi ukhala ngendlela aphethwe ngayo eNando's nangendlela ebekade kwenzeka ngayo namacala ekuyona abhalelwe yona engasiwona awenzile. Uma echaza usisi uthi ezinye zezinto uyazazi ukuthi ziyenzeka, kodwa-ke ukwenzeka kwazo zenziwa imanager, kodwa njengoba zidicelelwe ngaphansi kwegama lakhe namhlanje. Amanda yamtshela ngisho emehlweni ukuthi noma ungahambe o-CCMA ayikho into ezokusiza because mina nginemali wena awunayo. Usisi uchaze udaba lakhe oluphelele kule video elandelayo. Ngicela ukuthi wenze sure ukuthi usulaykhile ivideo yakho ukuze njalo masifala amavideo kube wena oqala uthola notification. Wenze sure ukuthi ususubscribeile futhi ukuze njalo masifala amavideo kube wena olethelwa ama-notification abalulekile as i-membership member yeGoluba TV. Enza sure ukuthi ivideo ilinda iziphele ebese uyaphawula ukuthi uke waba yini ngaphansi kwesimo esikanje, noma abantu abangaphansi kwalesi simo esikanjena kuyaye kwenziwe kanjani ukuthi bakwazi ukuthi baphile. Kuvele ama-restaurant amaningi ukuthi ama-restaurant ayabahlukumeza abasebenzi, njengoba-ke emaningi ama-restaurant ekuyiwona ahlukumeza abasebenzi. Okunye nje okufishane sisakuvezile uveze ukuthi mangabe nifuna ama-extra sauce lawa nisuke niwafuna kuchajwa bona ngaphansi kwemali yabo. Kunembuzo-ke eminye enokwenzeka usisathe mangabe ibuza ngabona ukuthi yazi general since isabasebenzi ba-South Africa izinto ziyenzeka kodwa siye singayinawo noma-ke ayikho indlela esingacomplaina ngayo masibu, kodwa-ke khona kuyawenza umqondo okunye akhulumayo. Ngiyakuthembisa mlaleli wami ukuthi le video uzoyi-enjoya futhi uzophuma nalo izwi ekuyilona lona kule video elandelayo. Bamba-ke ivideo yakho elandelayo.
Hope ni right. Ngisebenzela eNando's esibaya casino. In the brand in Spa Casino, Nando's. I've worked there more than like 7 years now. It's from 2016 till now. Guys, I was issued with a hearing letter on Gomkabel episode 157, which is this letter. Give an ID and stuff here. Okay, I was issued with this letter. Gomkabel, Caesar company, by email address, the phone number, what's so on. Because according to a hearing letter, they have to be like in a palwa or show it's okay, fine. More from you can call this number. Want to email us, you can call this, you can email this account. What about just a pen paper issue. According to my understanding, mean I was more near a hearing letter. Same time, says we knew what there, so Hambikaya, so for Nella, who after our results. Yet I'm still working. Bathi okesha ngisuke because ngukesha ngisela khona guys. Bathi angisuke khona due to ama accused engenzele wona la. Kusho ama charges ayi4 ngibele wona. Eyokuqala bathi ngebe imali khona eThilini, which I didn't. Esibili bheka ama orders. Ama order lawo si-insurance yini i-manager. Management yonke angasimenje kodwa bonke kahle kahle. Another thing guys, njoba bengiyele incwadi le bathi ngifune ngiye ku-hearing ngomhla ka2. Which I'm still a person on Tuesday. As it is, I was cutting man. I think it's around half past 1 or 2 man. Ngiyakhona emsebenzini. How they expect me to work while being severe with this letter? How I supposed to communicate with the customer while he not letting know me? and i-hearing le ngomhla ka-2 loyo I'll be on duty that day ngingene ekuseni ngo-9 kuma ngo-4 ntambama i-hearing yami le 2 ngo-2 ntambama kanjani guys correct me if I'm wrong and guys lama cases ayi-4 ngibona awu-4 la u-3 okay fine I'm 100% sure angikho guilty of yabo lesibili lapho esikhona I'm building up ama-orders maybe abantu belo-understand means I'm building up usibaqonda ukuthini when build order we swear by ushaye something like ushaye drink ihlale system ungayi-cash out ihlale system lodwa yes guys lodwa ilokhunja ubheda ama-order we are instructed by management to build up ama-order whereby utengele encane ushayele i-until mhlawumbe beyakufafane shane sole shane ukuze avote 26 rand obani who's by inshotshwa yini i-management only sufana ukuthi mase kufika abaphasa abakhulu bathi si wrong kanjeni sometimes man no inshotshwa i-major kanje cause another thing angikwazi my guys kodwa ufose bese ngiphuma ngani nokusebenza angikwazi guys mina ukuvulithini ngomunye wami imunye uvele major kuphela whereby mode mayiphapa ama-order lawo manje uyovula lapha so angikwazi ukwenza into leyo imele kuphewa ukuvula lowo muntu loyo iyona yasitshela ola ngaleyo from today upwards ngizobheda ama-order ngizomake it average siwu-4 so cash guys lapha emsebenzini I don't know if magama ngabe ngirong kodwa futhi ngizwamisha amagama nkonke anginanayo khona uthandeka khona uthobile khona uthembisile khona uthobe ethilini whereby bese-leaving vele guys make me leave I only came back on the 24th I mean when I came back at work. When I came back to work, I found i-hearing letting Lindin. Yathi esibhedlela namanga. Hearing lesiyafika esibhedlela ishuthe ngo-WhatsApp, ishuthe imanager yami efonini. Esendela mina athi I'm due for hearing what. Ngisesibhedlela ngaphiswe for i-BP baby was high guys. Bathi usinikeza i-hearing ngathi ngeke ngikwazi ukwenza ngisesibhedlela. Ngithe ngibuye emsebenzini 24. Yathi uCrigen imanager yesi ops manager. Yathi befune ngize i-hearing ibhawa ngesibhedlela njalo wathi anginendaba samona book you for another hearing la mathitho okuphapha ama-order lawo into esinshothiwa i-manager yona mengimtshela lonto leyo uthi akanendaba wena wazi into wrong njena ngithi maCrigen inshothiwa i-manager lapha i-manager leyo usho wena ukuthi uthole i-ticket average ibe high esibayi ekhasini and I think guys emsebenzini we don't have i-float as staff i-fiscal manager nayo manje la inabo ushintshi futhi whereby siza meeting ushintshi we either go to amanye stores ethu Mikhile stairs depones ngala so funa ushintshi khamba mina njalo ngishiya bayithi card desk ngishiya manager ngithi manager ayinawo umuntu ayithilini ingene emini wesi manager lapho engiphuma ngifuna ushintshi ngespace sonke ngifuna ushintshi manje ngishiya manager la ithilini so i-offense wangishiya ithini manje mina ithili ivuliwe usho bani usho yana uCrigen lo wathi nje isili ivuliwe and accuse yalapho futhi nakhona emunye ama-charges engibekwe namhlanje leyo ukuthi nawo shithili ivuliwe and bazabe mhlophe isibaya sisinikezi ushintshi ngoba sikhokhe siyinandosi whereby mfushi sifake ikhutshuma information la usibona nje samosha ufake ingubo zakho amshi phezulu ngoyela ngaleyo kwafika i-manager yakhona I think lapha ekhasini sizobheno sibakho ziyonweza ukuthi angifushi phezulu ngifunela phezulu kodwa sinaba sihamba ukufushi phezulu guys ngicami la ngibeke lona I think it's a case that's 4 bathi mina ngashiya ingathatha imali customer whatsoever whereby on that day I did not even go to the cashier station that day I was in a coordinating station how can I leave a till open while I'm not even a cashier that day if you can go to the emsebenzini mfika khona nibheka phansi ukuthi wangena ba ukhethiwe njani angikaze ngisho ngene sikho ngibuyile maternity leave kodwa sifana icala lokho nje lokho swa mina ngawula ngalelo ngenza into efana nale akunye guys phuthelele ndandayilinye Cricken futhi loyo futhi Cricken India leli ops uCrigen uyazi lapha esibaya 5 years ago right 27 whereby niphatha emsebenzini lokho questions ubuza impilo hawu ngifuna imphetho kahle yini stuff like that uyazi for the past 4 years if I'm not mistakenly besibhalelwa i-climate survey sibhala yini i-manager ngitshela ubani uGerald Gavenda uShawn Gavenda nawo uCrigen loyo thaba sibhalele i-climate survey ngoba zobhala kumsana wesiphathi nesibani because lento yena ufuna ube honest ubhasi kwenza njani kodwa basi bebosibhalela bona this year was surprised ukuthi sitholi award kanjani esibayi ngobani ibhalwe ibona phela efuna bona lapha while you not happy yeah guys and i-climate survey sayibhala I think 4-3 years back sayifake climate survey this miles wafika so office babuthi kwenzakalani wananana umuntu evertime oy in charge yale climate survey le sayifake guys ama point ayeluzwa kakhulu lapho introduce uniform ama-staff meals. By the way, guys, staff meals emsebenzini esibayi, we eating ipapa eli-plain with no relish, nothing, just plain nokura chicken every day. That is like 6 days a week you're having staff meal, the same staff meal, papa nenyama kuphela. Ngobani wathi umphathi khona uJoyce Gavenda wathi vele into amnyama nina vele umpapa nijwayele vele ngoba simnyama sizipapa every day. Guys, ukhona ife into eyenzayo emsebenzini, angicanga ukuthi ukhona ife guys. Samfona ukushona wafika waphuza lemiti emva lokho sesiphuma ukwenza ama results ethu azange abuye. Kodwa after the day sibe ihleba survey hase sibhalela yonke into sesibhalela nando siwaye engathathi ama records from Freddy Clementsela till now abukwenze nje kwabasuka lapha basuka la phezulu futhi kahle manje awunendaba nathi. Kwathatha la sikhona mina is a franchise uNandosi uyimele. Kodwa I think i-franchise ne-corporate they are two different things. Khona i-franchise guys, khona i-corporate, but into eyodwa uyikhona ukuthi i-franchise ingaphansi ngoba i-corporate ingaphezulu. And guys, I'm telling you, i-franchise iyohlalwa ihlukunyezwa each and every day. And most people baphathi babuyela, they don't say nothing about it just because you are a franchise, which is totally wrong. Kanti so i-brand yodwa yafana. Because whatever happens, Sibaya, City or Sun Coast, into eyodwa ngoba imali iyafana. Lethi nje ukuthi ayifine ukuthi kwenziwa kanjani. And baya i-franchise ivuna kakhulu ilo ibasebenzi, while i-corporate ivuna kakhulu i-management yakhona. So guys, ngiphatha ngame ukuthi i-brand Nandosi ikwazi into efana nalena. Siyabika, nobody cares. Senze ukuthi nobody cares. Even izinto ama-AOD special emsebenzini wona. Whenever come on for extra sauce, we pay for extra sauce. Whenever kuthi ikatara emsebenzini noma ilahle or whatsoever, we pay for it. Milahla ama-plate noma ama-plate, we pay for it. Kanti guys, iphi i-company insurance whereby igadi lefana naleso sitolo sesenziwe. And I think guys, I don't think ngiyakhumbula kwi what do you call this, i-COVID. There were money esiniwe uhulumeni yona whereby we apply nge-ID yakho, whereby umphathi wethu uJoyce Gavenda wathi uhulumeni usoverpayile, so uzobamba imali every month. Wabamba yoqamba 1.8 oba 1.2, I don't remember last payment okumalini. Wasimbuza lokho wasomali uyibekile kwi-account, whereby staff esiningi sesahamba la ekhaya onisele 5 kuphela, lasu 18 or 19 by time. Kodwa imali leyo isangakuyena manje asinisho ukuthi nelo mali. Into efanele guys siyenze njani? Nama inform guys aswatholi. So uma uthola inform leyo uyayikhokhela. Whenever cook is shirts, you have to pay for it. Cook your blue, you have to pay for it. Only so far after day, uthi mo usuqosha emsebenzini, they want inform a bag in order for you to get paid. Just inform them ngiyayithenga ubuye ngibani futhi kanwena. Into enjani guys leyo? Only so far usama AOD la, we don't sign for it. Kwesinye isikhathi ubanje imali hayibo guys kanjani? Sesayile imanje sesu. Imanje siyasayile imanje sesu. Shoda ukuthi abelanga ku-3 4 rand, it depends ngonyanga leyo ukuthi umphathi ujabula kangakanani. Futhi sikhona emsebenzini, we pay for it. Ufa something, we pay for it. Kahle guys, and bayisane. And guys, ule ngifuna nazi namali makhathi waseNandosi ukuthi whenever you ask for extra sauce, lo mali ibanje imali yami wami lo mali leyo. Isikole ngani zami lesibanja khona lo mali leyo. Umuntu afika nicela extra sauce, wafaka nje wakuboka futhi ume khona futhi upheke loyo. Oh, sometimes AOD somosani AOD ezansi. Ngiyosauce odliwe icustomer lakhe. Customer ke ngishutha sekubuzwa kumele into leyo ngithi. And guys, ngixaka la ekhaya ama payslip. Okay, so 27 la ekhaya. Didn't get a payslip. We get a payslip in maybe 2 or 3 weeks. Kade sakhona emsebenzini. And i-payment yakhona uma umbuza awufuna ubuze i-payment kanjani. Ubonga uphiwa kahle kahle. Ngisho la ubonga uphiwa kona. Ina shift allowance la phayana ibiza nge10 le-hour. So siba umile from 6 or 8 till 1 2 ekseni 10 lento. And guys, emsebenzini singena from 9 to 4. Kodwa ungayi lunchini leyo wabhas no break. Une-T-Pex guys lapha ba-T-Pexa wabhas no break obhas 30 minutes. Wayengayanga khona. Siphuma upass level, pass level estolo. By 11 siphuma pass level. Kodwa uzokushaya usho 12 singaphuma estolo. Kodwa from 11:30 to 12 asikhokhele. Kodwa ekuseni ufika isitolo sesiclean isitolo sakho umlungu. Kodwa sikhokhela umuntu lo nto leyo. Guys, ngibhlungu staff meeting siyafana every day, ipapa nenyama every day. And manje ukuthi ebusuku wayikunje zasekunini ebusuku khase heavy ngama hot pots, kabishi nenyama nepapa. Ma ukuthi inyama ebusuku ibe nini iphule ebusuku inyama leyo. And guys, ubaswethu siphaise uJoyce Gavenda noSean Gavenda. labo ndaba abayona guys akanqono umuntu otshela ukuthi ngishunga ngisaphi sisime ngisike phe office ngoba nginemali awunamali wena. So guys ngibonisa ukuphosa umuntu onemali wenamali is useless. And guys ubaswethu nje utshela namhlanje singeke uzuye ndawo ngisesisime ngisaphi ngoba phela unamali nginemali. Hamba ubuse first down singaxoxa ekhaya kusime bayulencane lena ngoba nginemali awunamali. Kahle South Africa kahle uma unemali unakho kwe South Africa. Uma unamali futhi uyofela Nando's ngaphela njengoba ngofela Nando's nje guys. And guys esibaya bayazi ukuthi usijasa uthole asinisho esibaya. But yet imanager ithi amfushi chiphezulu. Isifaka info ingibuza ku ufuna chiphezulu ngoba ngifaka ibrand pa Nando's la abangisho ukushintsha. Kodwa ngoba ngitsho imanager uze ngisebenze team phela awazi ukuthi ngona shintsha. Sathi wasisamini. You don't have change. Uthi ngiwenza njani ngifuna ukushintsha phezulu. Kwanamhlanje mina guys ngophela umsebenzi namhlanje. Juthi into siniya manager. Esithola phayana uyisela ukudla kusalizwe lebusuku webhayi ucosto mhlawumbe usalizwe lebusuku uhlala u3 days guys salad iskipiti ekseni noma ebusuku nje guys laphana kuyabheda guys ngifuna ungasho. Yes guys uSinando senza kona uhalal. Olithi ufana usuthi dayisayo guys akukho halal cabangani. Sibhora ama veg sibaye eMan Kitchen, we bhora ukudla next door, we bhora everything emzini yabantu. Why they are not halal? And I feel sorry shame but ama Muslim dawazi usi uNando sesiba uhalal. Cause mesebedla guys ngifeel guilt knowing that ukudla kuphumaphi. Sometimes you get a call texting xa uyemsebenzini. Hayibo pasikabishi lapha ka Bestani yazi njalo la Bestani epha komama phana. Isikabishi uyahamba emsebenzini ufike buzeni ukabishi bandle ama customer. Kodwa bekho halal labantu. Kwenza kanjani guys? Kwenza kanjani? Kodwa uCricken usukazi guys. And knowing namhlanje awu get fired ngoba uCricken ngabe ube spice yakhe kahle kahle. Ubefuna kahle kahle lo uthatha ukahle kulento isigada abantu. Ufuna ukutshela ukuthi ubayini futhi njanje nje. Yazi I won't be surprised ema offense ama engibayilo amaqamayela wona if efika nabantu abantu bestaff emsebenzini. So sifaka against me. Anqonde ukubhala phansi asimi sana phansi nofike ecela sibanibani ufike uthi and guys staff lapha bayabuya kusethi mase hayibo yazi ubonisa uCricken uthe ufike ngibuye ngisicela lakho nami osophela umsebenzi umuntu afaze eceleni lakho mina hlehla kathi ngifuna ukuthi la angizange ibe spice yakhe uzame abona guys mehe ngitama u4 or 5 ungafika phela mehe lapha ngisithi bagesi umuntu angikwazi guys mehlo umuntu ahliswa ngenxa yami unezingane lo muntu namhlanje guys ngizoxoxa umsebenzini Juthu nisho siye manager so ukuthi angikwazi ukuspy on other people guys I need qama ngomunye umuntu guys by mhla ka2 ikamini mhla ka2 yes mhla ka2 maybe around 4 ubona samsebenzi mina uzobe ngihlele ekhaya namsebenzi Juthu imanagement yakhona nokuthi iphi amacala sifika lapha yana ngibhlungu guys cause lento lena is been happening for number of time and Nando's is aware of it and akenzi lutho guys. I don't know whether you are franchise ufuna sipanishoye lokho or what. Guys, ngicabanga ukuba no part 2 after hearing yami which will be held on Tuesday esibaya babhala ukuthi ngo2 ntambama. Mind you, I'll be on shift working and I have to smile. Namanje ngisakhona guys yabo ungena u4 ntambama emsebenzini. Kodwa siwa nge hearing lesini. Sizani indle emnyama. Naku sinela mbo. Yazi wathi la ngemeeting ubaswethu wathi nje South Africa next 5 years to come uyiphezwa amandiya. We are nothing siyasifundile. Aninamqondo kahle kahle nini. That's why kufanele ipapa nema every day. Hayi meeting yakhona so ngiqosha amagama kanje guys lapha kodwa meeting yakhona kusokhuluma yini. Asithuka. Guys, ngikho happy. Sizani nje emnyama. Ngelelani. Bangathi apha emsezi namhlanje ngenxa yaCricken esitolo. Hayibo Cricken lo futhi wasiwaxoshwa emhlanga enzansi. And mind you guys, uCricken he was dismissed emhlanga enzansi. Was dismissed emhlanga enzansi due to her staff cabangani guys. Akahle lezo aboga guys Nando's understand Nando's njani. Nando's ungakususa la usuwenza iqala icompany shop, ixoshwe company shop. Kodwa azibe franchise. Kanjani kanjani. Shuthi masibangafika kuxoxa ngala uye ngala kwenza kanjani ngazi lo usenze emhlanga nakhona waqoshwa just ukuhlumeza staff. And mind you whenever umhlambe basenze badaba la ekhaya mhlambe like eto zabo labo and bazokhuluma the same thing ngikhulumayo uCricken akanayo indlela yokukhuluma nomunye umuntu uCricken akanayo indlela wenza noma yini nomuntu umuntu nje like ukuyena kahle ngixoxe mengifaka igama mhlambe liyalumene uzahlala kukho into sizinja ezabasebenzi ngahlala sizinja apart more wathi ngicela ungisibhale okangizibhayela lapho nje usukuma ngowakho xoshwe semtime wena lapha emsebenzini awunamsebenzi. And into engicasula kakhulu guys ukuthi i-area manager uRavin wafonela tshela kwenzana esitolo yazi wathini watshela lo uthi lo employee wathi hamba ohlala phansi naye kanjani umuntu esengakho efana nale mhlawumbe umuntu onjani uzongixosha vele nakade ngiveke ikhipha manje ngiyazi uNandosi uzofuna ukuba upfront knowing that uRavin wazi into kwenzakalani lapho uzohlala phansi noClick kanjani mhlawumbe noClick azi kahle ukuthi kwenzani vele esitolo njalo umuntu uyangihlala umuntu uyangihlumeza kahle kahle and ngizwa le video le guys because ngikhathele I'm tired ngikhathele whereby abasebenza kahle abantu uma basebenza se-franchise abanakekeli whether you dismiss or what abalandeli kahle abalandeli isikwenzani kuma franchise yes kabe shop bandela too much lapho. So guys ngishema uqala ngidumele and I'm going to work manje kanjani how would I face my customer with this on my side guys angazi ngithini le ndaba sizani mata abamnyama sizani endle emnyama.